Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Science International. Well, today we want to go further with our autotrophic nutrition. We are basically looking at autotrophic prokaryotes, and in our last tutorial we looked at autotrophic bacteria and basically the photosynthetic bacteria, and we saw that these bacteria synthesize complex organic food molecules from simple inorganic raw materials such as carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulphide, utilizing energy gotten from light. Well, today we want to go further and look at another type of autotrophic bacteria, and these are the chemosynthetic bacteria. These ones can synthesize their own food molecules, basically the complex food molecules, from simple inorganic raw materials such as carbon dioxide and water, for this case, using energy derived from special chemical processes involving oxidation of compounds. Now, these compounds, for example, we have iron, then the iron salts, we have hydrogen sulphide, ammonia, among others. Yes, so for that case, we want to look at some of the types or the examples of chemosynthetic bacteria. Well, example number one are the iron bacteria. These ones obtain their energy from oxidation of the iron salts, hence their name iron bacteria. Then the other example is the hydrogen bacteria. Well, also as the name suggests, they obtain their energy by oxidizing hydrogen. Then we have colorless sulfur bacteria. These ones obtain their energy. The energy here we're talking about is the one used in the synthesis of complex organic food molecules from raw materials, that is the simple inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide and water. Now, the colorless sulfur bacteria obtain their energy from oxidation of hydrogen sulfide and sulfur. And lastly, the nitrifying bacteria. These ones include basically the Nitrobacter and the Nitrosomonas. They obtain their energy from oxidation of ammonia. Well, those are what we call the autotrophic bacteria, and in particular, chemosynthetic bacteria. We've looked at them and we've seen that these ones obtain their energy from special chemical processes involving oxidation of compounds. We've looked at the example, and basically they can synthesize complex organic food molecules from simple inorganic raw materials such as carbon dioxide and water using energy derived from these special chemical processes. Well, what you should know, basically the basic difference between chemosynthetic bacteria and photosynthetic bacteria is one, for them they obtain the hydrogen required to reduce the carbon dioxide from water. That is for the case of chemosynthetic bacteria. Whereas we looked at the photosynthetic bacteria, and we saw that they obtain the hydrogen from basically hydrogen sulphide. Okay, and hence we call them the purple sulfur bacteria because their bodies accumulate sulfur. So we also see that the other difference basically from the source of energy. The source of energy for photosynthetic bacteria is light, whereas these ones, the source of energy is the oxidation or the special chemical processes, basically involving oxidation of compounds like iron salts, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, among others. Then you can give the examples basically of these chemosynthetic bacteria. Yes, so that is all. Join us in our next tutorial as we shall be digging deep into the factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. Some interesting tutorials to come. Stay good to Easy Science International. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like the videos and share it with your colleagues and friends such that we can move on smoothly. Yes, I remain your man and tutor, Ivan Serengeti.